Hello, this is PC Workshops. This is our Python Basics course teaching you Python in the quickest possible way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so download the practice files and practice to make the work your own. So what I'm going to teach you today is how to read a file. This is for CSV files or TXT files, so simple unformatted data. The first thing is you want to create a file name with a full file path. As you can see, you use your normal Python, your normal Windows file path structure. The only thing is you're going to double up on all the backslashes, as you can see. That path and file name, then you assign it into a local variable name. I've used file name. Now what you want to do is you want to open the file. So your instruction is open. You specify your file name, and then another parameter in the brackets is R for read only, indicating that you're only going to open the file to read it. You won't be writing any records into it. So for the open statement, the opened file will be equated, or will be using the local variable name my file. And now it's very simple. You just use a normal for loop to iterate over all the rows in your file. So for line in my file, it will first read the first line, print the line, read the second line, print the line, read the third line, print the line, until it's done all the lines. So line by line iterates over the file, and then you close the file so that you don't lose the data. Here I've specified, if you are on Mac, how to indicate your paths and file names, or how to specify file paths when you're in Mac. And that is all. You see, it's very simple.